you know, I've heard people say, well, he was constantly changing until the very end. That's not accurate. That certainly wasn't my experience. I look at my notes from when I was a student, and then they're almost identical. Hell, there's so much similarity in Dennis Longwell's book, who wrote the book. That's the one with the picture of Sandy on the cover. There's almost it's like those are because it's just a year or two before I started studying with them. It's the same stuff. Now, the Dennis Longwell's book is not a teaching syllabus. Unfortunately, a lot of people treated it that way. He was a fly on the wall. He was a writer in the class. Tons of stuff was left out, trust me, in terms of the brick by brick. So it's convoluted and it's all over the place is overstated. It's a brilliant book. It's brilliant at capturing Sandy's genius, but it's not a teaching syllabus of the Meisner technique, nor was it ever intended to be. Nor did Sandy he once said, read the preface of the book. He says you can't, he goes, I was asked so many times to write a book about the Meisner technique, and I tried several times, and finally I gave it up because I realized not only can't it be done, it shouldn't be done. Now, since then it has been, and it helps. Can it help? Can you understand some things, especially if you have some knowledge and get some clarity? Absolutely it can. You know, can you learn the Meisner technique online? I get asked this question all the time.